Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video, I want to talk to you about the Morbid Entertainment Horror Movie Festival in the Philippines. We're still setting it up. We planned this before COVID-19. Therefore, the festival is going to be online more than likely, of course, due to the pandemic. So, though be it still in the planning, we're going to look at having directors of experimental film, independent, underground, low budget and no budget films. No agents or managers are allowed. This is simply because the talent in the Philippines has essentially been talking to me. They want to change. And believe it or not, in the Philippines, the actors get charged from the representation 30+%, which is a complete ripoff from our total Hollywood, 10% to representation and 90% to artist. So this is a time for directors and Filipino talent to collaborate, foreign and domestic, and to show off our films as well. If you make films on celluloid, that's great, such as I do, and also digital, cell phones, anything of that nature is what the festival is about. So we're going to do this here again online, and we just got to figure out how we're going to do it, how we're going to coordinate everything. So again, that's the Morbid Independent Horror Movie Festival. We're setting that up for sometime in the near future in the Philippine Islands. Do subscribe to my videos, or my YouTube channel rather, and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.